Bob Pisani has today's ETF Edge. And Bob, it is a heck of a day to talk about the Nasdaq 100.
And we are here, Scott. We are at the Nasdaq market site for the 40th anniversary of the Nasdaq 100 index, which tracks the 100 largest non-financial stocks on the Nasdaq. 94 exchange-traded funds track the NDX in over 20 countries, including the Invesco QQQ. That's the 5th largest ETF in the United States. Let's talk with Nelson Griggs. He is the president of Nasdaq. Here we are. Congratulations, 40th anniversary. The Nasdaq 100 is synonymous with technology. We have big news today. The China firm DeepSeek reportedly launching an AI model that considerably less cost than the U.S. models. You're the keeper of the NDX, the Nasdaq 100. What does this mean for the index? What's it mean for NVIDIA, Microsoft, Apple?
Well, I think we take a step back. As you mentioned, 40th year anniversary. So the last 40 years, the Nasdaq 100 has averaged 14.25% over the last 14 or 40 years. So it's not a straight line. There's going to be ups and downs. There's more money being invested in innovation and R&D in the Nasdaq 100 than it's almost 1,000 times the broader market, right? So I think you look through moments like this, and they're going to have to innovate and address any sort of competitive concerns, and then there's going to be ups and downs.
Isn't lower capital expenditures, that's what I hear about this model, isn't this good for the AI story? I mean, lower capital expenditures make AI more accessible for more corporations. Isn't this a good news story?
Well, you look at a moment like today, it obviously caught the market by surprise because we saw the futures and it carried through the marketplace. So I think over time, as investors digest this, it can be more company by company specific story, but over time, lower costs can be better for the marketplace, sure.
I can't help but look at these single stock ETFs that are out there. NVIDIA has leveraged ETFs that are out there, single stock ETFs. The volume is huge today in that, as well as the Nasdaq 100 leveraged ETFs. Does this kind of volume on these kinds of days pose any kind of systemic threat to the markets?
Well, we see that kind of volume also on up days, too. So I think this, again, was a bit of a surprise to the market. There's heavy volume in the overall markets as well, too. So, no, I think the products are well managed enough where we don't see any sort of systemic issue for sure, but there's heavy volume. It's an active day.
Tech companies, are they going to be under pressure to spend more or less on capital expenditures now? I can't sort of decide what this means for the overall market.
I think it's a highly, highly competitive environment for what is a moment in time. Just got back from the economic forum in Davos, and AI was the topic, and how can we move faster, get more of the cost savings, get more of the innovation going. So I think it's hard not to see us investing more in this amazing technology.
The Nasdaq 100 is one of the most successful indexes of all time. The QQQ is one of the most successful ETF. Why has this index been so successful? Every single year, inflows, big inflows for decades.
For decades, yeah. It's the companies that are in there. They are the ones that are the hallmark of growth, innovation. You look at what they are spending on R&D. And just you look at the U.S., particularly the retail investors, they love growth stories. And the names in there are the ones I mentioned before, are spending an enormous amount on R&D and growth. So it's about 60% tech and consumers, about 20, then healthcare, the remaining.
We got to go, but I need 10 seconds on the IPO market. I know you're very much in charge of that end of the business.
10 seconds.
Well, we're for time.
We're building. 23 terrible, 24 a bit better, and the deals have done well that ended the year. So I think we're seeing 25 as another build year. Maybe not floodgates, but we're starting to see the momentum pick up for sure.
And Smithfield is coming next week here.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, got it. Okay, much more coming up on the state of tech and the 40th anniversary of the Nasdaq 100. Coming up on ETF Edge at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, Nelson will be joined by Todd Sohn. He's the head of ETFs for Strategas. That's etfedge.cnbc.com.